confirmed positive for COVID-19 on March 10 and in isolation until March 29. One Jamaican shares his road to recovery. After arriving in the country from Spain on February 25, a cough developed, so he decided to get tested.
Following 2 days after they give me a call on my cell phone, it's telling me that I checked positive with symptom of the COVID-19, so I must not go nowhere, they will come and get me. So
he was then placed in isolation on March 12 and he was given cold medicine to control the coughing. Within a week, the cough was gone.
Yes, I run up to around 16 days before I get out, so they actually run 2 tests after. The first one they did at the 10th and they run 2 more after. One was like the 21st of March. The other one the 23rd, so they said both of them come back negative.
Based on information from the health ministry, he's a Jamaican overseas ship worker who came in from the Canary Islands via Portugal and Miami. Apart from the cough, he had no other symptoms, no runny nose, sore throat, fever or respiratory issues.
My mother alright, we spend a quiet time with my mother, she good, brother good, father good.
Nice.
And my father is a sickle man in a bed also. I spend one whole day with him. I'm alright too. So as far as me go through, nobody will me in contact with negative so far. Same like myself now, negative.
He said medics at the facility wore the correct gear and took necessary precautions to protect themselves.
Always gloves up and then yeah, them work alright, you understand? I'm not going to use my bad days them and judge them, you understand? And sometimes in them and say, why am I doing that? But me other people, they say, them a cough rapid, you can't hear the sickness. But me, you know, me never did show no sign, I'm not like that way. Me can't say me sick.
He now has one message for those who are fearful of contracting the virus.
I say, me, normal individual, I get over it, anybody can get over it. Just keep good sanitation practice and just follow the procedure we go with that we go through.